Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm going to read you a Halloween build-up witch's magic broom adventure. Long ago in a faraway land, deep within an enchanted forest lived a kind witch named Hazel. Hazel was an expert at brewing magical potions and her knowledge of all things mystical was unparalleled. But there was one thing that she really wanted. A magic broom that could take her anywhere in an instant. She had all the ingredients for a flying broom potion, but the main ingredient was very hard to find: pixie dust. Pixie dust could only be found at the top of a giant sunflower in a field of eternal twilight. This place was very dangerous though, because it was guarded by a horrible monster called a mumpkin. The mumpkin had sharp claws and teeth, a big bushy tail and a face like a pumpkin, and it was very protective of its patch of twilight sunflowers. Hazel knew that she couldn't do this alone, so she went to her friends, a family of black cats, for help. The cats were more than happy to assist, and soon they set off into the forest to gather the ingredients for the flying broom potion. On their way, they met a wise old owl who warned them about the many dangers that lay ahead, from thorny bushes to grumpy trolls. But the determined witch and her feline friends pressed on. Finally, they arrived at the edge of the forest, and before them stretched a wide open field bathed in the soft glow of twilight. In the center stood a giant sunflower taller than any tree in the forest. Just as they were about to approach the sunflower, a horrible screeching noise filled the air and out popped a huge mumpkin. The mumpkin swiped its claws, sending the cats flying through the air. But Hazel was ready. She dodged the mumpkin's attack and yelled, "Stop right there, you overgrown pumpkin." The mumpkin snarled and charged, but Hazel was too quick for it. She darted around the sunflower, narrowly avoiding its snapping jaws. Then, with a flick of her wrist, she threw a handful of pixie dust into the air. The mumpkin let out a piercing scream as the magic dust burned its skin. It tumbled to the ground, defeated. At last, Hazel and her cat companions approached the giant sunflower. They carefully gathered the pixie dust and then made their way back to Hazel's cottage. Was their adventure complete? The cat slunk into the shadows and watched as Hazel stirred the pixie dust into her potion. The moment the powder hit the liquid, the entire room began to spin. When it stopped, Hazel was gone. In her place stood a magnificent black broom. The bristles were made of moonlight and the handle was a twisted branch from the tree of life. Hazel mounted the broom and with a flick of her wrist, soared into the night sky. She flew over the forest, over the hills and far, far away. And wherever she went, she sprinkled pixie dust, ensuring that no one would ever forget the tale of the brave witch who tamed the mumpkin and won her magic broom. The end.